fix "It's not you, it's us" on Facebook dating. So if you're facing a problem, "It's not you, it's us" on Facebook dating, then what you need to do is first you need to close your Facebook application. Shutting down the app on your iPhone or your Android can fix minor bugs that causes features to go missing. And the second solution is you need to check if Facebook is down. If other users are reporting problems with Facebook, then there's likely nothing you can do except wait until it's working again. And after that, third one is you need to update the app. So you can open up your Play Store or your App Store, go with search, and from the search, you need to search for Facebook. After searching, if you have any updates, you need to update. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to start your device. Restarting can fix a lot of problems, and it only takes a minute or two. So you can just simply press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. Or you can go and enable your Facebook app notifications. So tap and hold on to your Facebook, go with the app info, go with notifications, and make sure that you've turned on the notifications. The other thing you can do is just go back again, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can delete and reinstall the Facebook application and check your internet connection. After doing all of these, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix "It's not you, it's us" on Facebook dating. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.